Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix queued email not sending problem in Gmail. So let's get started. At first make sure you have got a good Wi-Fi connection, and if you do not have good Wi-Fi connection you can use your mobile data as well. And even if doing this does not work, we can get into settings and search for apps. Now go to Gmail. Now click on storage and clear cache, and you can clear data as well. If even after doing this the queued mail is not sent, you can try updating your app. For that, let's get into Play Store, search for Gmail, and here we can see this update option. So let's tap on this and update. After doing this, all the bugs in Gmail will be removed and we can send the queued emails. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.